Test the alarm contact function. Remove the auxiliary alarm contacts. Use a flat blade screwdriver to switch the contact state. Adjust to J alarm contact. Connect the auxiliary alarm contacts to the circuit breaker. Determine contact position 111214959896 when the circuit breaker is in the open state. Contacts 11, 12 and 95, 96 are in closed state. 11, 1495, 98 are in the open state. Connect the buzzer to contacts 11, 12, 95, 96, respectively. Buzzer alarm. Connect the buzzer to contacts 11, 12, 95, 98, respectively. Buzzer doesn't alarm. Close the circuit breaker at this time. Contacts 11 and 14 are closed. Contact 1112 open. 95, 96 contacts remain unchanged. Connect the buzzer to contacts 11, 14, 95, 96. Buzzer alarm. Connect the buzzer to contacts 11, 12, 95, 98. Buzzer doesn't alarm. Alarm contact part test completed. Installation conclusion. The contacts are closed normally, and the auxiliary contacts alarm contacts in the alarm auxiliary contacts are working normally.